Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Dart key fob battery, only ways. Start by finding the seam and using a flat tool to pry the fob open gently, then remove the old CR2032 battery. Clean contacts with a dry cloth and insert a new CR2032 with the positive side up. Snap the fob halves back together, test the buttons, and reprogram if needed by following the car manual steps. I will explain the tools and prep you need to replace the Dodge Dart key fob battery. Lay out a small flathead screwdriver, a fresh CR2032 battery, and a soft towel to protect the fob. Work in good light and keep tiny screws or clips in a safe place. Wipe the contact surfaces with a dry cloth before inserting the new battery to ensure a reliable connection. In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Dart key fob battery, only ways. Quick recommendation. If you want sound while working, the Echo Dot smart speaker fills the room with clear audio and responds to simple voice commands, making small repairs more enjoyable. If you like this tip and the video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will help you step by step to swap the Dodge Dart key fob battery without stress. Insert the screwdriver into the notch, twist carefully to open the case, and lift out the old CR2032 while noting its orientation. Place the new battery positive side up, align the halves, and press until you hear a click. Test every button and reprogram the fob if signals are inconsistent after replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.